All hides enter through strict, legally monitored channels. Every shipment is verified before entry.
Heavy lifting is fully mechanized for safety.
Every hide is logged for full traceability. Initial inspection ensures proper storage and transport. Moisture levels determine early conditioning needs. All hides undergo mandatory sanitation. Quarantine holds ensure controlled processing.
Advanced imaging detects hidden surface issues.
Only cleared hides continue forward. Technicians classify hides by size. Scale symmetry determines value. Image data guides processing paths.
AI helps standardize grading.
Labels ensure correct routing. Automation increases efficiency. Thickness affects final flexibility.
Grouping ensures consistent batches.
Supervisor approval is required.
Batches move to the treatment line.
A gentle rinse removes surface debris. Soft bristles protect delicate scales.
Sanitization meets strict standards.
Rinsing prepares hides for deeper cleaning. Technicians check for missed areas.
Drying prevents moisture damage.
Oil keeps the hide flexible.
Sensors confirm uniform conditioning.
Pressing flattens wrinkled areas.
The hide is now clean and stable.
Stretching reveals full, usable surface. Tension prevents future cracking.
Controlled climate ensures consistency.
Softening prepares hides for cutting. Hands-on evaluation remains critical.
Exact dryness is essential.
A smooth transfer keeps workflow steady.
Mechanical rollers improve flexibility.
The hide reaches optimal softness.
Next stop, digital mapping.
High-res scanning begins.
Detailed mapping guides precise cuts. Designers optimize hide usage.
Laser alignment ensures accuracy.
Visual checks avoid costly errors.
Stability improves cut quality.
A preview confirms efficiency.
Scale density affects luxury value.
Green means ready for cutting.
Precision cutting begins next.
Surgical precision ensures minimal waste. Each piece is handled gently. Trimming refines the shape. Lasers create clean edges. Sorting organizes workflow. Nothing goes to waste. Quality checks maintain prestige.
Validated pieces advance forward.
Precision holes improve seam strength.
The hide is now ready to become a product.
Automation speeds assembly.
Strong thread ensures durability.
Skilled hands handle challenging spots.
Assembly begins taking shape. Hardware placement must be perfect. Metal hardware completes the structure. Reinforcements add longevity.
Detailing enhances luxury appeal.
Quality control is ongoing.
The product nears completion.
Linings improve comfort.
Labels support global tracking.
Clean edges define craftsmanship.
Pressing creates a polished look.
Now ready for protective finishing.
UV layers protect color longevity.
Repellent layers add durability.
Curing locks in the finish.
Gloss must stay even.
Digital QC guarantees uniform texture. Stress tests ensure structural integrity. Hardware must withstand force. Interior quality matters too.
Approved items move to packaging.
The journey is almost complete.
Protection prevents transit damage.
Automation speeds packaging.
Barcodes track global shipments.
Palletizing prepares large shipments.
Komodo leather goods begin their worldwide journey.